Hello. Let's talk about quickly why AI features fail and how to actually build products that earn, right? So your team ships a new AI feature. Some of the feature, let's consider a simple feature like search works and response looks very, very smart, but no one uses it twice, right? And again, search may be the wrong example to choose upon, but think about a feature that who would use more than once. And why, right? Because most AI features are dumb after day one. Like again, um, it depends on case to case, right? They don't observe, they don't adapt, and they don't evolve, right? Today, I will try to break down why AI features fail and how to architect feedback-aware systems that truly learn. So, the common failure pattern. Can you think about quickly, like what will be the common failure pattern? One is the no user signal captured. Maybe the users could be using the features and primarily couple of features in relatively more than the other features, but are we capturing the user signal? Like, was there any kind of certain A/B testing being done? And no telemetry or no feedback loop, right? Have we actually captured initial feedback from user? No evolution of inference or prompt logic, right? And as a result, static AI feature that's actually rule based. That is how we get to think about an enterprise app that answers the same thing more than certain times, whether it's 1,000 times or 10,000 times, and never improves, right? So you have to focus on product that gets it right? And users dismissals to improve summaries. Like, for example, Spotify also thinks in terms of clickstream feeds, re-ranking engine. Walmart also has a good recommendation engine. Google Ads, user drop-off trains better recommendations, right? So the key insight point of view, the feature is only as smart as the feedback system behind it. Make sure you loop in user right from the initial stages, at least from beta customers' point of view, right? So let's look into quickly. I'll give you a quick highlight in terms of what I'm trying to refer to here. Right. So let's look into the, excuse me. So the feedback loop architecture for AI products. And the couple of layers that we're trying to focus on here is user interaction, telemetry capture, feedback process, inference adjustment. So the components you can consider in the user interaction depending on what framework you have used for front-end development, right? So make sure, whether it's a click or whether it's a scroll or, you know, data entries point of view, what kind of fields were focused on. And the purpose is these signals will really help you to understand the user engagement. And telemetry capture. Make sure you have event logs. Let's say you're whether using Kafka or the Flink, whatever mechanism, or even regular services point of view, you have right metrics and event logs captured. This will helps you. This will evaluate and plus helps you to record behavior across sessions. And the feedback processor, right? Session aggregation and the cleansing signal user engagement, signal cleansing point of view, and also finally the aggregated view of it, right? This will help you prepare data for further tuning and the inference adjustment, re-ranking, whatever the updates that you can do for the prompts, fine tuning. This will help you evolve with the model or the logic based on analysis that you could do in with the help of the data you captured with the telemetry, feedback process, right? The user interaction engagement also. So this is not necessarily a post hoc analytics loop. It's an architecture pillar designed from the day one context. So whether you're a small startup or whether you are a founder of or working for mid-scale SaaS company, you're dealing with key value storages or session storages or async calls or you're dealing with, and you're part of enterprise organization, and you're trying to deal with the voluminous of a data and trying to use real-time messaging streams like Kafka, or you have, and along with that, you have multiple feature flags to test changes. So make sure you consider some of these architecture facts right from the beginning of AI evolution of your features, right? So if your AI feature isn't learning from your user, it's just a static function. So build the loop and the feature gets smarter with every interaction, right? So subscribe for more deep dives on AI system, feedback architecture, and platform patterns at scale. And again, this channel will also focus on some of the leadership principles plus the cloud architecture concepts point of view, and we'll evolve with latest trends. Um, Make sure you leave your comment right below, and post your questions if you have queries or if you have a ask, so we can plan for the upcoming videos. See you soon.